Top 5 Best Lightning Cable for iPhone 17 Pro. The best phone accessories, handpicked for you. Number 5. Anker 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗲𝗏 USB-C fast charger with 10-foot cable for iPhone 17/16. You're still waiting 30 minutes for your iPhone to hit 50%. This 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏 USB-C fast charger changes that, juicing your iPhone 17 Pro Max, 16 Pro Max, or Galaxy S25 in record time. Perfect for power users, travelers, and anyone juggling multiple devices, this compact charging block delivers serious speed without overheating. The included 10-foot Type-C cable gives you freedom to move between your desk, couch, or car without being tethered to the wall. Compared to older 20W adapters, this 𝗕𝗂𝗏𝗏𝗏 charger cuts charging time dramatically, getting you back to full power fast. It's compatible across the entire iPhone 17 and 16 lineup, plus Samsung's latest flagships. One small note, while it's blazing fast, actual speed may vary slightly depending on your device's battery health and case thickness. But for most users, this combo is a game changer, reliable, efficient, and built for real life. Number 4. Apple MFi Certified iPhone 17 Fast Charger Cable 6 feet 3-pack. Hook. Your iPhone 17 deserves a cable that actually keeps up. This 60W MFi Certified USB-A to USB-C braided trio delivers fast charging, reliable CarPlay, and rock-solid data transfer in one sleek package. Who it's for? Perfect for drivers, multitaskers, and anyone juggling an iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 16/15 Pro Max, iPad, iPad Air, Mini, or Galaxy device. Key features and benefits. 3 6-foot braided cables mean your car, desk, and nightstand stay clutter-free. MFi certification guarantees safe, optimized charging and seamless CarPlay/CarLife integration, while the 60W output juices up your devices noticeably faster than standard cords. The durable braided design resists tangles and fraying, surviving daily bends, pulls, and road trips without missing a beat. Limitation. Because it's USB-A to USB-C, you'll need a compatible USB-A charger or car port to unlock full 60W speeds. CTA. Grab the 3-pack now and finally ditch those flimsy, slow cables for good. Number 3. Anker 20W USB-C fast charger with 10-foot cable for iPhone 17/16/15 Pro. Hashtag iPhone 17/16/15 Pro fast charger, voiceover script. Hook. Your iPhone deserves better than that sluggish, $5 charger that takes 3 hours to hit 50%. This 20W USB-C fast charger block paired with a generous 10-foot Type-C cable delivers the speed your device was engineered for, and then some. Body. Whether you're rocking an iPhone 17 Pro Max, an iPhone 16 Pro, or even a Samsung S24, this duo handles them all without breaking a sweat. The 20W output means you're getting genuine fast charging performance, not the misleading, compatible labels you see on cheaper alternatives that barely push 10 watts. That extra long cable? Game changer. You can actually use your phone comfortably from across the room while it charges. Closing. One small note, this won't fast charge older iPhones below the 15 series at full speed, since those models have different power protocols. But for anyone in the Apple ecosystem right now, this is the charger you grab and never think about again. Word count, 148. Number 2. Anker Nano 30W USB-C fast charger for iPhone 17/16/15. Your iPhone 17, 16, or 15 deserves charging that keeps up with your lifestyle, without the frustration of slow, unreliable power delivery. This fast-charging USB-C charger block delivers precisely that, rapid, efficient energy straight to your device. Designed exclusively for iPhone 17, 16, 15 series and iPad Pro models, it pairs seamlessly with the included 6-foot cable to give you flexibility whether you're at your desk or on the go. Unlike generic chargers that overheat or underperform, this one maintains consistent output without draining your battery's long-term health. The compact block fits effortlessly into any bag or outlet setup, making it ideal for frequent travelers and multitaskers alike. Just note, while it's optimized for newer iPhones, older Lightning-based accessories won't benefit from this USB-C speed boost. But if you're upgrading your ecosystem, this is the charger that matches Apple's pace, literally. Number 1. MFi Certified 60W USB-C Charging Cable 6 feet 2 pack for iPhone 17/16/15, iPad Pro, Air, Mini, White. #YouTube VoiceOver Script. MFi Certified, iPhone 17/16/15 Charger Cord 6 feet, 2 pack 60W USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Script. 2 cables. 6 feet each. 0 compromises. That's exactly what you're getting right here. If you're someone who's constantly juggling multiple Apple devices, iPhone 17, 16, 15, plus your iPad Pro, Air, or Mini, this 2-pack is built specifically for your setup. Here's what sets these apart from the cheap alternatives. Genuine MFi certification means Apple has verified every single cable meets their strict safety and performance standards. You're not gambling with knockoffs that fry your battery over time. The 60W USB-C to USB-C design delivers fast, reliable charging across your entire Apple ecosystem, and that generous 6-foot length gives you actual freedom to use your device comfortably while it charges, no more sitting inches from the wall outlet. The white finish keeps things clean and minimal, matching Apple's aesthetic perfectly. Having 2 cables means one stays at home, one travels with you. Simple. One thing worth noting, these are USB-C to USB-C only, so older Lightning devices won't connect directly without an adapter. For anyone deep in the Apple ecosystem wanting dependable, fast charging without the premium price tag, this 2-pack delivers exactly that. Word count, 150. Thanks for watching Best Lightning Cable for iPhone 17 Pro. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.